Here I've got Spiphone A10 Pro, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick display, and here you will notice sleep tab. Click on it and pick the option that you like the most, so you can pick either 15 or 30 seconds, 1 to 5, 10 or even 30 minutes. I will pick 5 minutes. And that's it. As you can see, from now on your screen timeout is 5 minutes, so it will be deactivated after 5 minutes of inactivity. So that would be all. This is how you can change screen timeout in your device in your Spiphone A10 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.